Okay, salut à tous, hello everyone. So on this new video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to root your Android device. So this is a universal method, so it's basically going to work on every Android device. So that is it for you guys who've been trying Kingo Root and all his brothers and sisters with no success. This is a video for you. Alors je disais donc que sur cette petite vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment router un téléphone Android. Donc cette vidéo c'est pour les gars qui ont déjà essayé les applications de route comme King Root, Towel Root et sans succès. Oui, donc cette vidéo c'est définitivement pour vous. Alors sans plus tarder, nous allons commencer. Bon, on va donc commencer par utiliser l'application Root Check pour savoir si le téléphone est routé ou pas. So we use Root Checker to see if the phone is rooted or not. Agree. Ok, comme vous pouvez le voir, ça dit root access not available. So on this device there is no root access. So now the method we are going to use is an app called Magisk. So Magisk is an app that is used for routing. So it's actually an alternative to Super SU. So if you know about Super SU, they're all the same people, but the advantage of Magisk is that with Magisk you can actually at one point in time decide to hide root access to a particular to an app on your device. Oui, donc nous allons utiliser Magisk. Alors donc pour cela il nous faut télécharger l'application Magisk. Donc je crois que je l'ai déjà téléchargé là. Voilà. Bon, nous allons télécharger Magisk. We have to go on their website. So we have their website here. So we have two files to download. We have their Android app, that is we are going to download, and Magisk Manager, and also we have the .zip file, the Magisk.zip file that we are going to use for the routing process. So this is your website. We are going to look for the download link. Yes, so this is the download link. We are going to download Magisk Manager. Nous allons aussi télécharger Magisk.zip. Je l'ai déjà dans mon téléphone, mais pour qu'une personne ne se perde pas, il va falloir que je télécharge encore. Donc voilà, Magisk. Celui-ci pèse environ 4 mégas. Donc nous allons télécharger. So after downloading these two files, so we have Magisk Manager and we have Magisk version 17.1.zip. So after downloading the two files, we just have to put them on our SD card. Yes, so let us start by installing the Magisk Manager. Donc nous allons commencer par installer l'application de Magix. Donc nous allons installer. Et puis Magix.zip, nous allons juste le copier sur notre carte SD. Okay, so let us open it. Okay, so as you can see here, after installing, it's going to ask you to install Magix, because this is just the Magix Manager. So you actually have to install Magix that is going to permit you to root your device. So it's asking you to install. So at this point in time, what you have to do is to select no for this procedure I'm going to show you right now, because if you select install, it means you want to like modify your boot image and flash it on later. That is another procedure, but for this video we are going to click on no thanks. So as you can see, it says Magix is not installed. Donc comme vous pouvez le voir, ça dit Magix is not installed. Donc le téléphone préalable n'est pas encore routé. Alors nous utilisons encore root check une dernière fois pour voir si le téléphone est routé. Ok, toujours pas routé. Nous allons donc déposer Magix.zip sur notre carte mémoire. Donc voilà, Magix.zip, elle est bien là dans la carte SD. Donc tout ce que nous avons à faire là, c'est de redémarrer le téléphone en mode recovery. Donc il nous faut redémarrer le téléphone en mode recovery et d'installer Magix.zip dans notre recovery. Donc si vous ne savez pas déjà comment fonctionner, comment utiliser le recovery de votre téléphone, je vais faire une autre tuto là-dessus. Et surtout, il faudrait se rappeler que là, il nous faut une version modifiée de notre recovery. Donc voilà. So all we have to do now is just to reboot into recovery. So you have to note here that we're having a custom recovery. So if you don't know what that is, or if you don't have it yet installed, well, we'll have to do another video for that. So now I'll have to reboot into recovery. So see you guys into my recovery. Okay, so welcome back. So what we have to do now is just to boot into recovery. So I'll hold down the volume down and up button and press the power key. Okay, so now it is going to boot into my recovery. So as you can see, this is a TWRP recovery. That is a TeamWin project recovery. It's a custom recovery actually. So this is not the recovery that a normal Android phone should come with. So you will have, it's a prerequisite for this procedure, you will have to install a custom recovery. So if you don't know how to install, or if you don't have it yet installed, I'm going to drop a video on how to do that. So now what we have to do is just to click on install, and then we're going to navigate down where we actually saved our Magix.zip. So as you can see, I have it here. This is Magix. I have it here, the last one, Magix.zip. So I will click on it. So and then now it is asking me to install. So all I have to do is just to swipe and install. So I'm going to swipe this, and the installation procedure commences. So it is done. So it says here reboot. So all I have to do is just to click on reboot. So see you guys when I boot into the device. Okay, so welcome back into my system. Alors nous allons donc vérifier pour voir si nous avons réussi à router notre téléphone. So let us start by opening the Magix app to see if Magix is actually installed. So nous ouvrons Magix. Voilà, Donc vous voyez déjà, ça dit version installée. Donc ça reconnaît déjà que nous avons réussi à installer Magisk. So as you can see here, it is already telling us the version of Magisk that have been installed. So it is already recognizing that Magisk have successfully been installed, and you can see this couple of options that just added. So now let's just launch root checker to see if our device is actually rooted. Alors, if you were using maybe King Root or something, we'll be crossing fingers right now. But well, since as we are confident of what we're doing, you know it will definitely work. So we click on verify. Voilà, so comme vous pouvez le voir, ça demande déjà accès. So click on accepter. Boom. Congratulations. So voilà, vous avez vu, voilà une méthode très sûre et très simple pour pouvoir router un téléphone Android. Donc ça marche sur tous les téléphones. Voilà. So let's open Magisk again and show some couple of features. So this is Magisk. The advantage of Magisk is there are some apps that actually will not run on a rooted device. So the apps, when they identify that your device is rooted, they will refuse to run or they'll ask you to disable root access on that device for the app to be able to run. So the advantage of Magisk here is that you can actually decide to hide root, to hide the fact that your device is rooted to a particular app. So what you have to do is just to come on Magisk hide, and then you select the app that you want to hide. So in this case, let us maybe choose BitPay. Good. So we have BitPay here. So if you just stick it like this BitPay will never know that our device has ever been rooted. Alors voilà les gars, voilà. Alors si vous avez des questions, n'hésitez pas à me poser, je suis disponible 24 heures sur 24 pour vous. So the only problem with this method will be on the level of your custom recovery. So don't worry about that. I'm going to do a full video on how to install a custom recovery, how to back up your device and all that. So you just have to let me know if you need that video. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you back.